Not receiving text notifications on your iPhone's lock screen or home screen. If your notifications are missing or not showing up as expected, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to get your text notifications back on track. Let's dive into the fixes. Before you follow anything, come on Control Center from your iPhone. Try to turn off airplane mode, do not disturb, silent mode, low power mode. Now back to advanced process. Solution 1. Check notification settings. Open settings, scroll down, tap notifications, scroll down and select messages. Ensure allow notification is turned on. Check that lock screen notification center and banners are enabled. Also scroll down, tap sounds, make have sound notification enabled. Also check show preview. Make sure to set this always. After following these, try to restart your iPhone and check your issues. Solution 2. Enable background app data. Open setting, scroll down, tap general, scroll down, tap background app data, tap background app data again, enable Wi-Fi and cellular data. Solution 3. Turn off restriction. Open setting, scroll down, tap screen time, scroll down, tap content and privacy restrictions. Make sure to turn it off. Solution 4. Reset all settings. Open settings, scroll down, tap general, scroll down and tap transfer or reset iPhone. Tap reset, then select reset all settings. Confirm by tapping Reset All Settings again. Note, this will reset your settings but won't delete your data. That's how you can fix the issue of not receiving text notification on your lock screen or home screen. If this video helped, don't forget to hit the like button. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments below and I'll get back to you soon. Thanks for watching.